Hey everybody, today we're in a Toyota Tacoma. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855192. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as this red covering here and the blue covering on this side. Now you do want to peel that covering off before you attach it to the dash. And that tape is made so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. Secondly, always make sure you attach the mount to the dash before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount attaches in two different spots. The first is at the top, and it's the junction between this silver piece of the trim and the black piece that's right behind it. The second is down here, and it's between this silver piece and the black one here. It's right under there. So first, you want to take the included gap opener, and we're going to go basically right next to this small screen underneath and insert it into that seam. Now we're going to take this angled edge where the ProClip sticker is, and we're going to hook that on top and then kind of hold it up there with your one hand and rotate it down, and we can use our other hand to pull down on the mount and slide it until it snaps into that seam. Once it's in place, you pull out the gap opener, and now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.